have our steering column completely installed and connected, along with our brake system completed, it's now time to start working on the engine. Unfortunately, this engine has a worn down lobe, so there's more work to do on this one. Fortunately, we have this engine that we were told was in pretty good shape. Now, if you're looking to do things on the cheap side, now would be a great time to do a compression and leak down test if you can. If you get a good compression and leak down test, you might not have to tear into the engine at all before you go swapping it into your vehicle. We took the heads off this engine already to help identify which engine it is. Turns out to be an LM7. Because we did that, I don't trust the seal that these head gaskets are going to keep. So before we go doing our compression and leak down tests, we're going to take these heads off, inspect our lifters, push rods, rockers, and cylinder walls, make sure everything looks good before we go ahead, clean surfaces, put a new head gasket on here, and do our testing. As we tear this apart, we're going to be referencing the SA Design book, How to Rebuild GM LS Series Engines. Right over there. Yeah, something like that. But at the same time, versus don't have a lot of mass. Grabbing somewhere around here. There we go. It looks clean, like not sludgy. That's promising. There we go. Here goes nothing. Ooh. I like the way it looks. It doesn't look dirty. It doesn't look that dirty, you know what I'm saying? I've seen people open that stuff up, Lee, and it looks terrible. Now that we have this opened up, we're going to go ahead and inspect each one of these push rods to make sure there's no odd wear to them. These all looked good, didn't see any weird wear to them. If you did, that would be a good indicator to replace that rocker and that push rod. Huh. I don't know about you, buddy. Nice thing about doing this, instead of getting 16 new push rods, you can go ahead and get one that you have worn down. I can go to rockauto.com and just buy them individually. Yeah. Then I'm going to just see. Oh. I don't know about you, but those gasket surfaces don't look that bad. Boy, it's really nice lifting an aluminum head off there, huh? Well, let's get this other head off before we do that. This side looks like it was the side that did. You get all the. You don't have this one off. That's why. Should we see if it'll go easy now? Oh, jeez, wow, that'll do it. I think a couple of these might. Oh. There you go. Shoot, I really. Oh. There's definitely some crap in here that we need to get out. Yeah, that's from when There's a little gunk in here, but no lip at the top. I can't say that I see any scoring. I think this looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Got a little crosshatch still going in there. Man, I'm really liking the way this looks, Lee. Where'd you get it? Bought it from my brother.
If you made it this far in the video, you might as well click that like and subscribe button.
I mean, the way most of those slid out of there too seemed pretty nice. If you want to see the steps that go from here to a full engine, click that like and subscribe button, because if you stick around long enough, you get to see this engine go in this truck.